Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Python and MetaTrader 5 Python framework to live trade on MetaTrader 5. Alright, so let's get into this. First step is for you to download Python if you don't have it on your PC yet from python.org website, and I'm going to put all of the links of the websites and the things that you need to download in the description. After downloading Python on your PC, you need to go and download an IDE of your choice. IDE is just platforms and applications and environments that we use to run our Python code. The famous ones are VS Code, that which you can download, or PyCharm, okay? But I'm going to use Jupyter Notebook in this video. So for downloading that, you need to open your command prompt, CMD, or if you are on Mac, open your terminal and then type pip install notebook. Keep in mind that you need to do that after you installed your Python on your PC, okay? So because I have it on my PC right now, I'm not going to run this code, but after running this, it will actually download the Jupyter Notebook on your PC. It will download it, and for running it, you can say Python -m notebook, okay, to actually run it. Okay, so here I have my Jupyter Notebook now, and you can create folders, you can create files. This is the file that we're going to use for today's video. If you want to create a new file, you can just click new and create a new Python file and just name it and start working with it. But since we have this file for our video and I got this ready for us, we are going to use this. So here we need to import some Python packages. As you can see, MetaTrader 5, pandas, and time. So for that, we need to actually download those packages, and I'm going to show you how. Again, open your CMD or your terminal if you're on Mac and type pip install MetaTrader 5 for downloading MetaTrader 5 platform and framework, and then pip install pandas, okay, and put this in, type it out, click enter, and now you have those packages on your PC. And now you need to just import them here, just as the same as I did. And after that, for us to be able to actually run our codes and our trades with Python on our MetaTrader 5 platform, we need to define 3 functions at first. One for sending a market order, okay, and one for closing a single position that we have, which is open, and one for closing all of our positions. And for making it more simpler for you, I'm going to put all these 3 functions, their codes, I'm going to put it in my Discord channel, which you can join. The link of it is in the description. You can join the Discord channel. I actually give all the templates and the important information that I put in my videos. I put the templates of them in the channel, so you can join, and then you need to just copy these functions and paste it in your IDE of choice. And then after you defined these actual functions, okay, here we have for market order, for closing one position and closing all of our positions. Now that you have that, now we need to set up our trade execution, okay. So for that, before that, you need to open an MT5 account, okay. So you can find a broker of choice. For this video, I'm using IC Markets. You can choose any other broker, then go sign up, create an account, and then open a MetaTrader 5 demo account, okay. After that, if it will give you a login number, okay, it will give you a password, and it will give you the server. Now that you have these, you need to download the MetaTrader 5 platform from their website. For example, in IC Markets, I can click Web Trader here and download the MetaTrader 5 from here. After you have the platform downloaded, okay, here for example I have it, then you need to put those login, password and server that you got in the website actually here, and then put it there, and to sign in and log into your account. And as you see here, I'm connected now, and I'm connected to the account, and I can start executing trades. I bought, I sold, okay. You can put trades and close them, and you can just practice trading. And so now our account is actually connected. So now for us to set up the actual code, let's start with putting those login credentials. Okay, I'm going to put 3 variables: one login, one password, and one server. Wait, so, and for putting them, you're going to come to your website, get the login that you got from your account, put the login here, get the password. Remember, this is just a demo account for the video, but if you have a personal account and you're putting real money in it, it is very important to not give away these passwords that you have at all. So put your passwords here in quotients, don't remember, because they are strings. Then we are going to have our server here, again put it in quotient, quotes, okay. And then after that we need to initialize our MetaTrader 5. So we are going to use MetaTrader 5.initialize function, and this is going to make sure that our MetaTrader 5 is open and the actual Python code and our framework, Python framework, is connected to the MetaTrader 5 terminal. And then I'm going to use the login function with the inputs login, password and server that I defined actually above. I created these variables. I'm going to give them as inputs, okay. And after that I'm going to create my strategy. This is just a simple strategy. I'm going to put here the actual logic of our strategy as a comment for you guys to understand, because this is a simple video and I'm just going to want to show you how you can actually start executing trades with Python. This is just a simple strategy. The logic, the trading bot logic, is that it is going to open a trade on USDT, okay, and the volume is going to be 1 lot, and then it's going to wait for 10 seconds and then it closes the position. All right, so now we need to define our symbol. For this video we have Euro USD. Then we are going to define our volume, okay, let's say 1 lot, and also our order type. Our order type here is going to be buy, because we want to buy. And then we are going to call the market order function that we defined earlier in the code, and give the inputs as symbol, volume and order type that we just defined, those variables. And then we are going to use time sleep as 10, and I'm going to explain to you what we are doing, okay, and close all positions. So here we are actually saying, here in our strategy, you saw that we said after we open 1 lot as trade, here 1 lot on Euro USD, and we buy, after 10 seconds it's going to close the trade. So here we are saying with time sleep, after 10 seconds it is going to close the position, okay. So actually, before running this section of our code, let's run the previous parts. Now we import, we define these functions here, and now if we execute this, we will see that yes, our actual trades were executed, and it's going to wait 10 seconds and then the trade is going to close, okay, and you see it closed. So as you can see, it is actually working. Here we are having our Python code, which is connected to our MT5 account via MT5 Python framework. We gave the login credentials, and now we here gave the strategy logic. This was just a simple strategy. You guys can put any strategy that you like here, okay? And then run that, and now it executes the trade in your MetaTrader 5. Simple as that. And you can start algo trading and creating trading bots. Alright, so I'm going to tell you this. I'm going to put these functions, the template of them, in my Discord channel. Join it, assign your roles, and then go to the actual templates channel in the learning hub, and there I'm going to put all these templates, so you guys can just copy and paste these functions, and you don't need to change anything about it. Just you can personalize your trading strategy and your trading logic here, put in your own strategy, and start algo trading. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you. See you in the next one. Peace.